Okay, so this is going to be an unboxing and primary setup of the August Smart Lock. August Smart Lock was announced a year and a half ago and made its debut at CES. Looked really good. They delayed it though because they wanted to have a stronger lock. I was actually one of the earlier pre-orders back in May of this year. Was appalled to find out that Apple had it in stock, but mine hadn't shipped. I went ahead and canceled it from August. One of the worst product release practices I've ever seen from a company. Really not a fan of August for that. But they said they had their reasons, that was that, so whatever. I have it now from Apple. Funny, I ordered it yesterday, it was here today. Paid regular shipping. Don't see why I ever would have bought it from August with their practices, but setting all that aside, this is what you get. Looks like it's a nice clear plastic cover there, and this is it. It's bigger, I guess, than I thought it would be. It's got a nice feel to it. It feels heavy, sturdy. Yeah, it's got a good feel. What else? Now, let's get started. Okay. Need help? Get support at august.com/installers. Looks like 3 different pieces we need here. We'll probably use those shortly. And then we've got 3 plasticky, not really sure what these are. Got Phillips, flathead, and something else. Well, let's pull these out here and see what we got. Got the installation guide. To watch a video version of our install process, please go to august.com/install. Getting started, which sounds very much like the installation guide, just less detailed. They give you tape, looks like, good for them, and terms and conditions. Let's look at the getting started first, since we are in fact getting started here. Install. Follow the instructions and installation guide. Download the app, calibrate, and use. I'm not sure why I needed this. It's telling me to install it and use it. Okay, will do. Let's check this puppy out. Awesome. So guide you through the setup, preparation. Shoot, is these some deadbolts? Yeah, it's compatible. You need a Phillips screwdriver. I have a drill. Good enough. And yes. What's in the box? 1 adhesive strip, 4 AA batteries pre-installed, adapters, mounting plates. This looks good. For installation. Before installation, pull off your dead bolts. After installation, everything is the same except you pulled off the dead bolt. You put the mounting plate on in the August. Alright. Well, we're going to take this party inside and get this thing installed. Primarily due to the neighbor. So I guess first steps first. Actually, as I do that, this is actually the one I need to take off. Oh. Initially, what we need to do, once we get the screws out, is pull this off. And we grab one of our trusty adapters. I'm assuming these are different. Yeah. I guess let's pull up the installation guide again and see which adapter you use. Okay, the adapters could all stay together. Good too. That's after installation. Mounting plate. Let's go to the actual mounting plate. Oh, step one. Probably an important one. Didn't do it. Tape the old deadbolt. Okay. We can do that. And of course, all of that didn't do wrong. Close enough. All we need to do is not fall off. Okay. Step 2. Remove your existing latch. Yeah, done that. B. Select the correct mounting plate. If you know the brand of your deadbolt. Quick set. What is the brand of my deadbolt? The brand of my deadbolt is Springs. So, of course, Springs is not here. Really is known here. Let's confirm that it is in fact Springs. Yes. Yeah, that's what we needed to know. Well, Brinks isn't on here, so we're just going to kind of guess. Step 3A. Selecting your mounting plate. Insert the existing screws and thumb-latch to help you choose the correct mounting plate. Oh. Well, that's easy. I can do that. Screw 1, screw 2, I'm here. Not this one. Notice we don't have a fit here. I just let it fall, it doesn't go all the way in. I'm going to go with that looks pretty straight. I'm going to go, let's try 1. Can't hurt us. Okay, so we connected it. Remove the screws from the thumb latch and use them to install the existing plate using number 1 on the outside. So let's do this. One, 2. I probably recommend you don't use the arrow for this just because you don't have control of how tight it goes, but I'm going to set this on the door. So this doesn't leave much out here, I'm surprised. You can see that, but doesn't leave much. Step what? I hope that's enough. Position the adapter and align the plate. Oh, got it. That's what these are for. Remove the tape and use it in the unlock position. Yeah, we probably want the +1, or -1 rather. So remove the tape, that's the first step. That's not the plus adapter, that's the M-Blonde plus adapter. Apparently, however I did this, it doesn't turn. That's not a good sign. I'll loosen it a little bit. Looks like I can turn that with my hand, that's a good sign. Alright, I'm going to tighten it back up. Really? Good. Next step. Place the correct adapter onto the tailpiece with the small end and attach the August smart lock. Yes, we can do that. So, I grab the lock here. It goes, looks like there's a big groove and a small groove, just like that. Oh, there's a lever. Neat. So, what they're saying here is to pull the lever out. We can do that. Wrong button to hit on your phone, it looks like. So, it's perfectly on straight, it looks like. And it appears I did it wrong. I attached only part of it. So, pull back off and I'm going to attach all of it this time. Oh, there's two tabs. There are tabs on both sides. That will do it. Lock both tabs on and see what happens. For some reason it doesn't want to go on with both tabs. Oh, maybe that's because this is no longer aligned. This is now no longer aligned correctly in here. I bet you if we align that properly, let me try it again. Ah, there we go. Now it fits smoothly. Pinch both of those down. You're good to go. Next step. Press down on the face and rotate it counterclockwise, left, to open the battery compartment. Oh, the face. Duh. Remove the battery tabs. August is on. Not sure how well August is on. Looks like you can manually turn it, which is nice. Install the August app, and you're good to go. So that's the installation of the August lock. I will do a follow-up video with the app setup, and we'll see how that goes. Thanks for watching.